Namaste. Welcome to Kefi Souls.
So in this video, we will do the preparation for step 6 of Surya Namaskar, which is Bhujangasana. So first we'll go to step 5, that is Ashtang. And we have little one audience over here, okay, who keeps coming in between. Okay. So for next step, this is Ashtang. What we need to do, we need to slide in front and we need to raise our chest up, go to Bhujangasana, hands fully lengthen. We hold here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Now what we'll do, we will highlight the common mistake while doing this posture. So first go to Ashtang. The most common mistake people do while going into Bhujangasana from Ashtang is they take their legs behind and then they go to a Bhujangasana. So what happens? This actually disturbs the distance of hand and leg. So this will disturb your whole Surya Namaskar next postures. Okay. Come on.
Very well said, Jeet, because when I was also performing it, I could actually feel that.
We will show you how that happens when we will go to next step. We will show you in that next video why that will disturb the whole distance of your hand and leg.
Sure, Jeet. Thank you for that information. Stay tuned with us for the upcoming video wherein we will show the next step, that is step number 7. Thank you.